Xin chào quý trưởng và các em. Flags are cool, aren't they? Whether they're representing a country, a state, or an organization like ours, there's just something really cool about seeing your symbol flying high in the sky. In this video, I hope to cover the significances of our Đoàn flag, your individual team flags, and the team names associated with them. I'm Vincent, and welcome back to another episode of Lavang 101. Flags are normally used as a symbol, a signaling device, or as decoration. In TNTT, we use flags in several different ways. Now, the flag you will see most often is our Đoàn flag, which will look like this. Now, this is our old flag, so some of the wording is a little bit different. But on the front, it should say Vietnamese Eucharistic Youth Movement, and then the Liên Đoàn you are in. So we would be Liên Đoàn Miền. And on the back, in Vietnamese, Phong trào Thánh Việt Nam tại Hoa Kỳ, and then your Đoàn name, so Đoàn Đức Mẹ Lavang. You will see our Đoàn flag before we start our activities every week at Chào Cờ, or the flag ceremony, where we will jow the flag and sing the TNTTLavangNM. Official flag ceremonies, in the military for example, are a way to honor the flag, showing love and respect for one's country. Our flag ceremonies are similar. We show love, honor, and respect to the foundations of Thứ Nhì and the virtues our organization holds dear. Aside from every Sunday, we also Chào Cờ at the start and end of all camps, as well as each morning during those camps. Our Đoàn flag is also seen at various times throughout the year. During our lễ bầu mạn, it sits on display near the altar. If there are new huynh trưởng receiving their red khăn or promoting cup, another huynh trưởng will hold the flag during the ceremonies. If a new Bang Thường vụ, or BTV, swears in their responsibilities, they will kiss the flag as a sign of promise and duty, as well as respect. Aside from the big Đoàn flag, we also have individual team flags, which are typically a lot smaller and more mobile. These flags are used to distinguish teams from one another, and a đội trưởng usually carries it. Đội trưởng and đội phó must take care of their team flags, as they represent the soul and spirit of the team. A typical team flag looks like this, with the team name printed on the front and a cross printed on the back. Our Onyis have the team response printed on the back as well, so they can remember. Our Đoàn has a tradition of allowing the teams to create and decorate their own flags for our annual Đoàn camp, with a set of criteria they have to meet. Throughout the years, there have been some amazing designs, and các em's creativity is endless. We assign this not only for the team to work together to create the flag, but also to make the team flag feel more personal. Team names are also very important for the team. As mentioned before, each team name is either a saint or a holy location in the Bible, and represents a sort of role model for your team. But did you know that each ngành has a different list of team names? Your team's patron saint within your ngành follows a certain theme. Onyi team names follow the theme of angels and young saints. Angels such as Gabriel, whose response is truyền tin. Raphael, yêu người. Michael, chiến thắng. Zakiel, công chính. Uriel, chiếu sáng. Yophiel, xinh tươi. Gamael, trung kiên. Yokiel, trong sạch. Groups of angels such as Seraphim, mến Chúa, Cherubim, sốt mến, and young saints such as Savio, vui tươi, Teresa, đơn sơ. Thứ Nhì team names follow the theme of various Vietnamese martyrs, other young martyrs, and some New Testament saints. Vietnamese martyrs such as Dũng Lạc, Tận Hiến, An Thành, Trung Trinh, Tô Ma Thiện, Hào Hùng, Bảo Tịnh, Gương Mẫu, Phêrô Khoa, An Vui, Phêrô Thi, Hiền Hòa, Matthew Gẫm, Bác Ái, Michael Hy, Trung Tín, Emmanuel Phụng, Quảng Đại. New Testament saints such as Veronica, mến Chúa, Martha, phục vụ. Other young martyrs such as Goretti, trong trắng. You see team names follow the theme of different holy locations. Galilea, truyền giáo. Nazareth, khiêm nhường. Nain, tạ ơn. Jericho, yêu thương. Cana, có Chúa. Golgotha, hiến thân. Jordan, vui mừng. Tabor, vững tin. Sinai, tiến. Damas, bừng sáng. Hiệp sĩ team names follow the theme of the 12 apostles. Phêrô, trung tín. Andre, can đảm. Jacobe tiền or Zebede, trung thành. Gioan, yêu thương. Philippe, cương quyết. Nathanael or Bartolomeo, công chính. Thomas, tuyên tín. Matthew, hiên ngang. Jacobe hậu or Anphe, vững tin. Judas or Tadeo, trung thành. Simon, nhiệt thành. Matthias, trung kiên. And for our Đoàn, team names for camp usually differ from these names. Depending on the camp's theme, 4 saints or holy locations will be chosen for the 4 groups. The most commonly used being the 4 gospel writers: Gioan, yêu thương. Luca, hăng hái. Marco, vững tin. Matthew, hiên ngang.
Well, you can flag this video as complete. We hope you learned a little something about flags and the various team names. As always, thank you for watching and learning with us. Until next time, keep that spirit flying high. Peace out.